Hi, and welcome to Silk Painting. Thank you for showing interest in our silk painting DIY kit. I'm sure you're going to love it as much as I love painting on silk. So let me get into this and show you what you receive in the box. Inside, you'll find a beautiful piece of silk. This is 100% pure silk, so you can mix your colours and test them before you actually put them onto your silk scarves. So you'll receive 2 silk scarves in your box, so you can keep one and gift the other. These are the gloves. Now the dye is safe for you to use. It's non-toxic, but we do say wear the gloves because it will stain your hands. And these are the little bottles of dye. They are very little, but you only need 1 drop. A little bit goes a very, very long way, especially if you're mixing it with some water. So you've got yellow, blue and red. And with those 3 colours, you can mix any colour imaginable. Also in the box, we'll give you a paintbrush and a pipette. That's for mixing your dye colours and then applying it onto the silk. And this is a palette that you can mix all the colours that you would like to use. These are the plastic bags that you will use for setting the silk in the microwave. And there you have it, everything you need to paint your own scarves and enjoy the art of painting on silk.